Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a head gasket. First, let's prepare. You'll need a good set of tools, including a precise torque wrench, a full socket set, and a reliable gasket scraper. Safety is paramount, so always drain the engine coolant completely and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Remember to relieve any fuel pressure before you begin removing components that block access to the cylinder head. Taking these initial steps carefully will save you time and prevent headaches later on. Now let's move on to disassembly. Begin by meticulously disconnecting all hoses, electrical wires, and both the intake and exhaust manifolds from the cylinder head. It's crucial to loosen the cylinder head bolts in the manufacturer's specified reverse order, often starting from the outside and working inwards, to prevent any warping of the head. Once all bolts are out, carefully and evenly lift the cylinder head from the engine block. It can be quite heavy, so be prepared. With the old head gasket removed, the next critical step is preparing for the new one. Thoroughly clean all mating surfaces on both the engine block and the cylinder head, removing every trace of old gasket material and any debris. Install the brand new head gasket, making absolutely sure it's oriented correctly and perfectly aligned with the bolt holes. Then, carefully place the cylinder head back on. Finally, torque the cylinder head bolts in the manufacturer's specified sequence and stages, often in 3 or 4 passes, to ensure even pressure. You're almost there. Now it's time for the final reassembly and checks. Reconnect all the hoses, electrical wires, and both the intake and exhaust manifolds, double-checking that every connection is secure. Refill the cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, making sure to properly bleed any trapped air from the system. Once everything is connected, start the engine. Monitor the temperature gauge closely, check for any leaks, and keep an eye on all fluid levels during the initial run. Congratulations, you've replaced your head gasket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.